All right, we got some important news for you guys in the Drip Network community. Reaching out to you yet again to spread the awareness of ways that you can actually start getting gains in the crypto space. Recoup those losses from Elephant Money and Drip Network and the Animal Farm and all of these other projects. This video can be very eye-opening and can change your life. So you guys, check it out. What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to come back to the Drip Network community. And this is for a specific purpose. Something came to mind because we have new people from the Drip Network coming into the system, and they are experiencing it and seeing just how powerful this system is kicking out for you guys. I'm telling you, I can't even express it in the concept of what you guys think is the right thing to do or DeFi, because trust me, guys, they're doing it all wrong. Okay. And what kind of led me back to this is my boy Tut right here. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys what real users are saying. You can always come out to my channel, check out my videos, look through the comments and see what people are saying. But I'm just going to hit a few of them now, just to bring awareness to you guys, particularly in the Drip community or under Forex Shark, who have been burned. And this right here is going to open the door for you to recoup your losses and actually start making gains in the crypto world. And I wanted to come in because I noticed that Tut actually has a logo of the Drip Network. So I haven't talked with him. I don't know, but I assume that he was in Drip big time in order to have a logo like this. And notice that he came in 5 days ago. Okay, so he checked out a few videos and like, okay, this looks good enough for me to try out, at least try out, right? He tried it out. And this was 5 days ago, guys. Let's fast forward to today. I get up and I see that he has left a recent comment, which is this right here. This is 5 hours ago, guys. So he's been in it for 5 days or whatever case it is. He said, okay, this is crazy. And he needs to share it. And my boy Ted, hey, bruh, post this, comments like this in other videos. I really appreciate your love and support and showing how this system is kicking out. But go ahead, and all you guys that are actually yielding profits from this system, share it. Share it on other channels. Share it with in the comment section of other influencers, because trust me, influencers don't want this, particularly those guys in Drip who couldn't stand me or Drip Coach or anything like that. You know, they're never going to push a product. They'll use it because they know they're going to make gains from it, but there's no way they're going to push it in support of someone that called them out, right? So you guys be that voice for more people to become aware of this project, because as you are gaining, they are going to be able to gain too. So that's why I want to drop this video again, to bring awareness and to show you guys real user experiences with this platform. I'm not even going to talk about what the platform is. You can always go to the description and see for yourself. There's a link down there that you can click on, register, and you're in it. Just that easy and quick. All right. But he says, okay, this is crazy. I need to share. My first deposit was on the 18th. Today is the 24th, okay? I utilize the market, you're talking about the marketplace, pretty much daily when I get BTC drip back from credits. And see, Tut is playing it right. I'm not even going to reveal the strategy he's using, but he's actually revealing a strategy that is building his Bitcoin, guys. We ain't talking about no crap token. We ain't talking about nothing that's that's going to be here today, gone tomorrow, right? We're talking actual Bitcoin. This guy is building his Bitcoin position, and within a week's time is 37% up. WTF? That's amazing. Tech comes out, he also, earlier in the day, he loves it. Eventually, other YouTubers will catch on, and this wallet will explode. No question, no doubt about it. A fat mouse comes out, loves the project, right? So trust me, guys, all you have to do is try it out. And it is not something that will lock up your capital. All right. You can get in, get out real quick, and you're still going to see those rewards. And on that note, I want to jump over also to a video Drip Coach dropped 11 days ago. And he was talking about these new projects that are coming out, the Swap X, Drip X, and he also mentioned this Drip to BTC. Now, he tells you clearly in the video, because y'all know Coach now, he's not going to show favoritism to any dev, to any platform or process, or whatever the case is. Drip Coach gets out there and pretty much tells it like it is from his perspective and his point of view. And he shared one aspect of this protocol that I'm sharing with you guys now. And he's like, look, a red flag for me is that it is a custodial wallet. And in regards to this, guys, I need you to understand that in the world of DeFi, why are you worried about custodial wallets? That should not be a concern of yours, because you're taking your money, you're putting it in somebody else's hands, and you are locking up that capital with that platform. There's a distinct difference between that and this project, because when you put Bitcoin into this system, there's a 10% fee that you will pay, but you can immediately pull that 90% out, right? So don't get caught up in the concept of it being a custodial wallet or non-custodial wallet, right? Understand this, guys, because it's not locking up your capital. Understand, TVL is a scam. Anything that wants to lock up your capital, they're in it to make money off of your back, and you're going to get pennies, if anything, while they're getting dollars. And 9 times out of 10, you're going to lose your money. All right. So y'all come out here, check out this video, and you could get Drip Coach's perspective on this project. Keep in mind, this was 11 days ago. I bet if you guys talk to Drip Coach now, he may have a different opinion, because he's been out testing the system. Now, I don't know what he has to say about it, but I know he's been testing the system, and he's going to report on it, whatever he finds. And I'm sure he's going to find the same thing that many other users are experiencing. All right. So another thing, when I was looking through the comments on this particular video, a man here, Game Maniac. All right. So actually, it's funny because, bruh, we have pretty much the same view, because Drip Coach is going to be dropping a white label. And I only share this because he's already shared it here with you guys, right? 11 days ago. And you don't know me. He said, I don't know. He doesn't have anything against me or anything, but he said it's a no-no for me, because not your keys, not your coins. Like I say, don't get caught up in that. You could take $100 worth of Bitcoin, put it in a system, and pull out $90. You don't have to worry about trusting the system to lock up your Bitcoin. Okay? You don't have to worry about that. But in the meantime, look at what other people are saying, because, well, let me not get into the project. If you guys are interested in the project, get into it. Now, there's a distinct difference between Coach's views and my views in regards to Drip. Now, I am here to support not Drip, but the Drip community. Those of us that were burned by Forex Shark, by Ray of the Bartertown conglomerate, by other influencers that were pushing it, getting us to put our money in, and we end up losing money. So my interest lies solely in investors, in the people. Now, drip coaches interest lies both in the people and the project, the drip project itself, hoping that he will be able to stimulate the token again to actually bring value, to bring, shall I say, profits to those guys that have lost. Now, and that's where Drip Coach and I kind of separate in views. Nevertheless, we're able to talk about it in a cordial, professional manner. I see his views and I understand him. He sees my views and he understands it, right? But when he drops this, he's doing this not necessarily for himself, but for the drip ecosystem, right? He's doing it for drip, in support of drip. So if you guys want to participate in whatever this project that he releases, it will be in support of drip. Now, let me give you guys a warning, and I try to share this with Coach because we still differ on this. But if you support drip in any way, it's going into the pocket of Ray, of the Bartertown conglomerate. This is like, guys, you know, it's like you love Americans, right? We're cool, but you can't stand the government, how they tax you, how they take all your money, take all your wealth, do whatever they can to snip their hands in your pocket. So you love the people, but you can't stand the government and the laws and the rules that have been put in place. This is the same concept that I have when it comes to drip, right? I love the guys, the people, the investors, but I can't stand the developers, the influencers, the guys that are digging into your pockets and knowing that they are going to scheme you out of your money. I'm not saying all influencers are, but you guys know the ones that are doing it. All right. So that's what I'm trying to draw you guys away from. And since I had a difficult time doing it in drip and they changed the protocol so that we can't receive referral rewards or you can't get 1% daily anymore. Okay, fine. I figured I'll launch this system and pull profits out for everybody that participates. You guys go check out my videos and you're going to see everybody, no matter what capacity you come in, no matter how much or how little. Now, there is a minimum deposit requirement, but no matter how much or how little, you are going to profit just as much as the next man. All right. So you guys, I encourage you. Again, this is to bring awareness to the project. Look in the comment section. Go check it out. And if you want to jump in, I encourage you to do so. Otherwise, you're going to be left behind and continue with these losses, especially if you continue in DeFi. All right. So my brother here, you and I agree, because I love what you said here as well. You know, I would also, it would also be iconic that BB is developing something else in another chain totally unrelated to drip. This I agree with 100%. Guys, you can't stay on drip thinking drip is going to rise from the dead. Just move on to something better. Okay? That's what this is. This is something bigger. It's something better. And it's going to expand far beyond the realm of drip. And it's going to kick out returns far beyond the realm of drip. Okay? So let's jump and look at a few other comments. You know, here's my boy Philip. In this video I released right here, bought one the other day, $14 plus, building up my positions. Thanks for another great project. Nice yield so far after only a week in. Hoping to recover drip losses with this. These guys are actually getting out, trying the system for themselves and seeing how it kicks out. Shitty Finance comes along. Just dropped $1,200. Tired of drip, elephant, dogs, pigs, etc. BTC is king. This is key, guys. You know, nothing, no cryptocurrency out there can compete with Bitcoin. And this project is in support of Bitcoin and its ecosystem itself, in addition to rewarding all participants of the project. So Bitcoin can now generate more Bitcoin, not just for miners, not just for people that are running Lightning nodes, not just for ETF platforms or hedge firms or mutual firms or whatever the case is. These guys are the ones making money. The exchanges, they're making money off of Bitcoin. But users of Bitcoin historically have not been able to. Bitcoin is behind as far as staking. You have the Ethereums and the Polkadots and all these other projects that you're able to stake with, but you're not able to make money with Bitcoin. Now that has changed, guys. Check out this project and you're going to see just how powerful it is in yielding you profit in Bitcoin. Okay. All right, let's see what else we got here. Just a couple more comments. I don't want to make this video too long. But Mark is in. Oh, and by the way, this is not something I necessarily had to do, but I wanted to reward those participants in the project. And there are quite a few. However, not everybody is posting their experiences in my comment section, which I have always encouraged. Even when I started this channel, I said I don't delete comments, whether they're good or bad. And I encourage everyone that participates in the project to leave their comments and their feedback. And in this one here, I was giving away $100 worth of Bitcoin, and I will continue to do this throughout the month of March for every 100 transactions that come through, right? And he was one of the winners of it. Okay, so this community that coming in, the negative guys, the naysayers, and all that kind of stuff, you guys can stay out. This system really isn't for you. It's for some legitimate investors, the critical thinkers, those you guys that have been following me, even up until now. Don't miss out on this opportunity, and please feel free to share it with others, right? All right, but I love what Redeem On said, and because I was telling him, hey, bro, get out there, share with other people. And he's like, for sure. I am amazed of the efficiency and concept. Everyone wins in all areas. These are words out of other people's mouths when they actually get in and experience the system. And he posted this like a day ago, right? He said, I showcased this approach with Team Drip. That's why I knew this was going to be a keeper and already proved the integrity. I expect a lot more attention very soon. And it is coming, right? But we grow it slowly by word of mouth, by sharing it with you guys. And once you guys prove it for yourselves, you'll trust me, you'll be wanting to share it with others. All right, guys, for the sake of not making this video too long, I'm going to stop here, but I do encourage you, look in the comments section. There's going to be a link down here. There's going to be a Medium article to tell you all of the things that are going on in the background. You guys get out there, try it yourself. And as always, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, leave them in the comment section. I am quite active in checking it periodically and making sure that I get back with you on any questions or concerns that you guys may have. All right, that's all I got for you in this one, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.